So hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you about candlesticks technical analysis. It is very important, every trader should know about that. Please subscribe my channel to get technical analysis videos. First of all, in financial technical analysis, a candlestick pattern is a movement in prices shown graphically on a candlestick chart that some believe can predict a particular market movement. The recognition of the pattern is subjective, and programs that are used for charting have to rely on predefined rules to match the pattern. Candlestick have different parts. Number 1. Upper shadow. Number 2. Body. Number 3. Green or white candles. Number 4. Red or black candles. Number 5. Lower shadow. The top, or upper shadow, of a candlestick shows the highest value of a data set for the time period charted, and the bottom, or lower shadow, shows the lowest value. You can see in the photo. Real body, the difference between the opening price and closing prices. This is shown by the colored portion of the candlestick. You see clearly in the photo. So enough for today. Next video, next part of candlesticks technical analysis coming soon. Please stay with us. Thanks for watching.